Hey guys, I am Simran from ClearTax.
And this is Prarthana from ClearTax as well.
Prarthana, don't listen now. Are you into investing?
Well, of course I am. You cannot just sit and save, right?
I agree, but then I am so risk averse that I'm always confused.
Simran, in that case, the Public Provident Fund or the PPF account is meant for you. Moreover, you can also save taxes through this. How cool is that?
I agree. For our viewers who don't know what PPF is a long-term investment option that offers an attractive rate of interest and returns on the amount invested.
And not just that, the interest earned and the returns are not taxable under income tax. And today, we are going to answer the frequently asked questions on PPF. So, let us begin. Well, let us start with the most basic question, and that is how to open a PPF account.
Well, the answer to that is a PPF account can be opened with either a post office or with any nationalized bank. You need to submit the duly filled application form along with the required documents, that is the KYC documents like identity proof, address proof and signature proof. Post submitting these documents, you can deposit a prescribed amount towards the opening of the account. The second question is, who is eligible to invest in PPF?
Any Indian citizen can invest in a PPF, but they can only have one PPF account unless the second account is in the name of a minor, and NRIs and HUFs are not eligible to open a PPF account. Moving on to eligibility. Who can open a PPF account?
The answer to that is any resident Indian adult can open a PPF account. In the case of a minor or a person with an unsound mind, a legal guardian can open the PPF account on their behalf. Moving on to the next one, that is how to withdraw money from a PPF account.
Well, it is simple. You just have to follow two steps. Step 1. Fill in Form C with relevant details. You can download this from your bank or post office website or at the branch itself. Step 2. Submit the form to the bank or post office branch where your PPF account is held. That's it. Well, moving on to the next question. How many years a PPF account can be extended?
A PPF account can be extended in the blocks of 5 years, any number of times upon the maturity of the account after 15 years from the date of opening the account. So the next question is, when to deposit money in a PPF account?
Well, the answer to your question, Simran, is there is no specific due date as to when you should deposit money in a PPF account. However, it is beneficial for you to deposit between 1st of April and 5th of April of a financial year. If it is not possible for you to make the full year's deposit at the beginning of the year, that is not a problem. You can make monthly deposits within the 5th of the month to earn maximum benefits. Well, moving on to the 7th question, and the 7th question is about withdrawal. How much money can be withdrawn from a PPF account?
Well, the answer to that is you can withdraw the money partially after completing 5 years from the date of opening the account. However, you can only withdraw up to 50% of the total account balance at the end of the 4th year from the date of opening. Moving on to the next question, that is how to convert a minor PPF account to a major.
When a minor PPF account holder becomes a major, that is turns 18 years old, you can submit a revised application form along with necessary documents stating the age of the account holder to change the status of the account from minor to major. The guardian can submit the application along with the account holder's signature on the application form as an attestation. Now, moving on to the 9th question. Simran, is it mandatory to withdraw the PPF account balance at the end of 15 years?
Well, Prarthana, it is not at all mandatory for you to withdraw the PPF balance at the end of the maturity period, that is 15 years. You can let the money stay in the account so that it accrues interest as long as you close the account. Moving on to the 10th question, that is, can I extend the tenure of the account for 3 years since I may need the sum then?
The answer to your question, Simran, is you can, but you can only extend the account tenure in the blocks of 5 years upon maturity. Moving on to the 11th question. How many times am I allowed to extend the tenure in the block of 5 years?
Well, the answer to that is there is no upper limit on the number of times you can extend the tenure of the account as long as you extend it in the blocks of 5 years. However, you can only extend the tenure upon the maturity of each block. Coming to the last question, that is, I don't think I can continue to contribute to my PPF account anymore. Can I close my account?
Individuals are allowed to close their PPF account only after completing 5 years. Also, there are certain criteria to be satisfied in order to close the account. Well, Simran, I think that we pretty much answered the top queries regarding PPF. But viewers, in case if you still have any more questions, do let us know that in the comment section below.
Well, this was it for today's video. Let us know what you think about the video and comment below if you have any doubts. We will try to reply to it as soon as we can. Stay tuned to our channel for more informative videos like these. Till then, goodbye and take care.